YouTube, what's poppin', what's poppin'? We are officially calling these adventures with the drone Tales of TurboTate. Shout out to my cousin Ruben for the inspiration. It comes from my love of playing video games as a kid. As I got older, I grew out of it, but when I'm flying that drone, it really allows me to connect with my inner kid and make me feel like I'm playing a video game, but I'm bringing it to life this time. First thing first, don't try none of this at home. This is very dangerous, but at the same time, I want to say there's no roof. There's no roof. I live my life with no limits, no restrictions. If you believe, you can achieve. And this is something that I had an idea and I wanted to bring it to life, and I did. So, at the end of the day, y'all be careful, be safe, be blessed, but it's no roof, no limit. What makes this dope is that I'm controlling the drone as I'm going up the mountain, so my attention is taken away from my feet and where I'm stepping. There's rocks, boulders, cacti, uneven ground. It's really a bad, twisted, broken ankle waiting to happen if you ain't careful. So that's what I'm saying. Don't try this at home, but then again, there's no ceiling. There's no roof. The only limits in life are the ones you place on yourself. I know I can do anything I put my mind to. I empower you to believe you can too. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice your comfort and take that leap of faith to reach a new level. High risk, but high reward. Words can't describe how it feels to go from a kid exploring in a video game to bringing it to life through traveling the world and shooting content. But all I can say is, don't give up and don't stop dreaming. Yours is out there too. Ya tú sabes, vive tus sueños, sale pues, y ejeme curva. Little jump cut, excuse me, getting through traffic, you dig, I'm out of there. Alright, so man, I'm still a little new to this drone thing, innit? It's only episode 2. Forgot the other battery pack, so like, brought the thing back down with the last few minutes. Capture some other angles and perspectives and things like that, you know what I'm saying? So run that, yeah? Run it. Say fam, this actually a killer leg workout, you know what I mean? Turn you to a real bad man, innit? Real bad man, you know what I'm saying? watching all this again, man. I can't wait to go shoot episode 3. But until then, y'all make sure y'all live the dream too, bro. Vive tu sueño. Peace out.